Whether you're looking for a smart solution to a common problem, a fun way to spice up your everyday life, or a futuristic device that will blow your mind, we have something for you. Here are the top 10 ingenious gadgets that will surprise you, so let's get started. Bring teams together in an instant with the IPivo Totem 180 and the IPivo Vocal. The Totem 180 is a panoramic conference camera that can capture the whole room and everyone in it, while the IPivo Vocal is the world's first speakerphone with two-way AI noise reduction feature. Totem 180 has two 4-megapixel cameras that provide a seamlessly stitched 180-degree field of view of the room without any kind of spatial distortion. You can also switch to a 120-degree view for smaller groups or huddled rooms. So whether you're in a standard-sized room with 8 people or a huddled room with 5 people, you can adjust the angle of view to suit your needs. Plus, the camera has an AI stage feature that automatically frames everyone in front of the camera, so you don't have to worry about adjusting the angle or position of the device. It also comes with a software called IPivo iStage, which gives you more control over how your hybrid conference or online presentation is displayed. And don't worry about the background noise, because the Totem Vocal has two omnidirectional microphones with noise reduction that can pick up your voice from up to 16 feet away. Aside from 360-degree sound coverage, the Vocal also offers a long 40-hour runtime. Both of these are plug-and-play compatible with most video conferencing platforms, so you don't need any extra software or drivers. Just plug it into a USB-C port and you're ready to go. Overall, the Totem 180 and Vocal are great office gadgets designed to create an efficient and immersive meeting environment. Ready to experience the best in virtual reality? Introducing the Vive XR Elite, the most advanced VR headset on the market. With stunning graphics, immersive audio and realistic haptic feedback, you'll feel like you're in another world. Whether you want to explore exotic locations, play thrilling games, or create your own content, the Vive XR Elite has you covered. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices and platforms, so you can enjoy VR anytime, anywhere. Don't miss this opportunity to get the Vive XR Elite today and join the VR revolution. Do you love eating fresh and delicious meals while being on the go? Of course you do. But do you also hate wasting time and money on microwaves or coolers? Then you need Sunnyside, the smart solar-powered lunchbox that can heat and chill your food anytime, anywhere. Sunnyside is a revolutionary device that uses the power of the sun to keep your food at the perfect temperature. Whether you want a hot soup, a cold salad, or anything in between, Sunnyside can handle it. Just place your food in a stainless steel container, select your desired mode and temperature, and let Sunnyside do the rest. You can even monitor and control Sunnyside from your smartphone via Bluetooth. Sunnyside is eco-friendly, durable, and easy to clean, and it's the ultimate lunchbox for busy people who care about their health and the environment. Now check out the Freeboard 5X, which offers the ultimate thrill on wheels. This amazing board lets you carve, slide, and spin like a snowboarder on any terrain. The Freeboard 5X features a redesigned rocker baseplate, adjustable bindings, and durable edge wheels for maximum control and stability. Whether you feel like shredding the streets, bombing the hills, or cruising the park, the Freeboard 5X will give you the ride of your life. Don't miss this chance to get your hands on the most versatile and fun board ever, so order yours today. Have you ever dreamed of seeing your 3D creations come to life? With the Sony Spatial reality display, you can experience a whole new level of immersion and realism. This innovative device uses eye-sensing technology, a high-speed vision sensor, and a micro-optical lens to create stunning 3D visuals that adapt to your movements. Whether you're a designer, animator, filmmaker, or simply a gamer, you can unleash your creativity and explore new possibilities with the Sony Spatial reality display. And aside from being easy to set up and use, this ingenious gadget is also compatible with various 3D software and platforms. Keep your food fresh for longer and reduce food waste with Aurora, the smart food storage system that uses UVC light and ozone to kill bacteria and mold. Aurora is a sleek and compact device that fits in any fridge or pantry. It monitors the temperature, humidity, and air quality of your food storage area and automatically activates when it detects harmful microorganisms. Aurora can extend the shelf life of your food by up to 3 times, saving you money and helping the environment. Aurora is easy to use, rechargeable, and eco-friendly while also being able to connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can track your food freshness and get alerts when it's time to eat or shop. In short, it's the ultimate solution for fresher food and longer shelf life. Are you tired of wasting time and money on laundry? Do you want a simple, eco-friendly, and affordable solution that can clean and dry your clothes in minutes? If you answered yes, then you need Eva, the 2-in-1 laundry solution that is revolutionizing the way people do laundry. Eva is a portable device that uses ultrasonic technology to remove dirt and stains from your garments without using any kind of detergent or water. It also has a built-in dryer that can dry your clothes in less than 15 minutes using hot air circulation. Eva is easy to use, energy efficient, and compatible with any type of fabric. You can use it at home, in your car, at the office, or anywhere you need a quick and convenient laundry service. Meet Sphero RVR Plus, the programmable rover that can do anything you want. Sphero RVR Plus is more than just a toy, it's a powerful learning tool that lets you explore coding, engineering, and creativity. You can drive it, hack it, customize it, connect it to other devices and sensors, whatever you want. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Sphero RVR Plus will challenge you and inspire you to create amazing projects. Sphero RVR is compatible with popular platforms like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and more, and you can also use the Sphero Edu app to code with blocks, JavaScript, or Python. Sphero RVR Plus is the ultimate rover for anyone who loves robotics and wants to have fun while learning. Joint pains limit your mobility and affects your quality of life, but what if we told you there's a simple and effective way to relieve your discomfort and improve your overall health? Check out Move Plus Pro, the revolutionary device that can reduce joint pain in just one use. Move Plus Pro is a portable and easy-to-use device that uses low-level laser therapy to stimulate blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote healing in your joints. This is a safe and proven technology that has been used by doctors and therapists for decades, but now you can enjoy its benefits at home or anywhere you go. Move Plus Pro is designed to fit any joint from your fingers to your knees, and it only takes 15 minutes per session to see the results. Grow your own plants at home with ease and convenience. Introducing the LetPot LPH Max, the ultimate hydroponic growing system for beginners and experts alike. The LetPot LPH Max is a smart, automated, and eco-friendly device that lets you grow fresh herbs, vegetables, fruits, and flowers in any season without soil or mess. Just fill the water tank, add the nutrient solution, plant the seeds or seedlings, and watch them grow. The LetPot LPH Max has a built-in LED light, a fan, a pump, and a timer that adjusts to the optimal settings for each plant type. You can also monitor and control your LetPot LPH Max from your smartphone via the app. The LetPot LPH Max is the perfect way to enjoy gardening indoors, save money on groceries, and eat healthier. Get ready to harvest your own bounty of fresh produce. So that concludes our list of the top 10 ingenious gadgets that will surprise you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.